Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners from Smile Now Dental Group. If you've been thinking about getting dental implants, full arch restoration, or a total smile transformation, one of the biggest questions on your mind is probably, how long does this whole thing take start to finish? And that's a great question because between work, family, travel, and just life in general, knowing what to expect can make all the difference when deciding whether now is the time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what the actual timeline looks like for a full smile makeover in 2026, what's changed and improved with newer technology, and how we personalize the process at Smile Now so it works with your life. First, let's define what we're talking about. A full smile makeover usually means one of two things. Either a full arch dental implant solution such as all-on-4, all-on-6, or 3-on-6, or a combination of treatments such as implants, crowns, veneers, or possibly ortho for a complete functional and aesthetic rebuild. Either way, we're talking about permanent changes to your smile, not just cleaning and whitening. So yes, it does take time, but thanks to modern technology, it takes a lot less time than it used to. Here's what's changed in the last few years. 3D CT scanning now gives us real-time, ultra-precise digital views of your bone and nerves. Facial scanning and smile design software lets us preview your final smile before we even begin. Guided surgery allows for faster, more predictable implant placement. In-house labs means you don't have to wait weeks for teeth to come back from across the country. Same-day temps gives you a beautiful, functional smile the day of your surgery. Translation, you get more done in fewer appointments with better accuracy and smoother recovery. If you're doing a full arch dental implant case, here's what the timeline typically looks like. Step 1 is your consultation. You come in for a free consult at Smile Now. We take a CT scan and do an exam, and we build your plan. That takes a day. Next, we place your implants on your surgery day, give you temporary teeth to wear while healing. You're gonna leave with a full smile, no denture, no gaps, also one day. Your implants are gonna begin to fuse with your bone, which is called osseointegration, and we might bring you in for an adjustments, bite checks, or scans during this phase, and that usually takes about 2 to 3 months. Lastly, it's gonna be your final smile delivery. Once healed, we take your final records and deliver your custom designed zirconia bridge. That usually takes 2 to 3 appointments over 2 to 4 weeks. So start to finish, you're usually looking at about 3 to 5 months. But you're never without teeth, and we're with you the entire way. You might see clinics advertising 24-hour smile makeovers or teeth in one day start to finish. And yes, at Smile Now we do deliver same-day temporaries, but your final teeth, that is something we do not rush. Why? Because your bone needs time to heal, your gums change shape as swelling reduces, you need time to get used to your new bite, and your brain needs time to relearn speaking and chewing. Fast track results often lead to remakes, discomfort, or costly revisions. At Smile Now, we respect the biological timeline because long-term success is way more important than a one-day headline. If your smile makeovers include veneers, crowns, bonding, whitening, orthodontics, and it really depends how many teeth are being treated, this is a restorative-based process, and that could range anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks for a simple cosmetic upgrade to 6 to 12 months if you're doing ortho or combining treatments. We'll always build the schedule around your needs and make sure you're not waiting longer than necessary. And a lot of times we'll work with a general dentist for this process. We've had so many patients tell us, I thought it would take forever, but now that it's done, I wish I hadn't waited. Time is gonna pass either way. If you start now, you could be enjoying your new smile, eating what you want, smiling confidently, and feeling like yourself again by this summer. If you're thinking about a full smile makeover, but you're unsure about the timeline or how it would fit into your life, let's talk. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at a Smile Now dental office. We'll walk you through your personalized treatment plan, your options, and your schedule so you know exactly what to expect and when. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for real information about implants, timelines, and how to get the smile you deserve. Thanks again.